All right, let's use the simple interest formula right here. I equals PRT and some elementary algebra to find the missing quantities in the table. So we're using the I equals PRT. And in this table, they have told me what P is. That is 300 times the rate, which is 11%, but remember you have to take that and divide it by 100. So that's 0.11 times the number of years, and it's 2 years. All right, so basically you just plug it and jug it. I plugged all the numbers into the formula. It's simply P times R times T. So grab your calculator and multiply those three numbers together, and you should get 66. And we're talking about money here, so it's $66. So you've deposited $300. When you come back 2 years later, you should have $366 in your account. The extra $66 is interest. It's what your money has earned for you. It's your money working for your money, or your money working for you. All right, number 3, same thing. Use the simple interest formula and some elementary algebra to find the missing quantity. This time, I've got the I equals PRT. This time, they're giving me the interest. The interest goes right here, 2,250 equals, my principal is 5,000 times R, but I don't know R, so I'm just going to leave R there, times the number of years, and the number of years is 5. Now, PRT means principal times rate times time. Let me show you something about numbers. If you had 2 times 3 times 5, most people just go left to right. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. But you could go right to left. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. Or 2 times 3 times 5, I could take 2 times 5 first and get 10, and then multiply it by the 3, I get 30. It doesn't matter what order you multiply numbers in. They are what they call commutative. So, even though I don't know what R is, I could go ahead and multiply the 5,000 times the 5 to simplify this equation just a tad. And when you take 5,000 times 5, you get 25,000. But that's still times the R. And let me erase this up here for a sec. I need some space. When you multiply two numbers together, because now what I have is 25,000 times an R. If you just multiply two numbers together, like, I don't know, 3 times 6 equals 18. If 3 times 6 equals 18, I can come up with two division problems using those same three numbers. I could say that 18 divided by the 6 equals the 3, or the 18 divided by the 3 equals the 6. Because that's how multiplication and division works. But if I didn't know one of these, if I had like 4 times R equals 32, R should equal the 32 divided by the 4, which is 8, and it does. So when I'm looking at this right here, the R should equal the 2,250 divided by the 25,000. And when I do that, I get 0.09. But we need to know what percent that is. So remember, you're just going to multiply that times 100. So your final answer should be 9%. And of course, my math lab already has the percent sign, so you just have to come over to the little box and type in the 9. And that's problems 1 and 3.